What's a fail-safe party makeup look? Smoky eyes plus glowing skin, right? This combo truly never fails and most of us can't get enough of it. Enough said. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to show you how to achieve smoky winged eyeliner and glowy skin makeup look. But before that, subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. You know, the thing about glowing skin is that it's always nice when it appears, or that we make believe that it comes from within, right? So if you want that lit from within look, start by incorporating products that will add luminosity onto your skin. For instance, whenever I want to create a glowing base, I like using this luminous moisturizer which instantly adds a burst of dewiness onto the skin. This is the Lakme Lumi Cream. Apply this luminous moisturizer right before applying foundation for a subtle glow that's otherwise hard to achieve. All you need is a pea-size amount. Dot it all over the skin and massage it in. This unique moisturizer couples the benefits of makeup and skincare, which means that it won't just hydrate your skin, but will also give an instant 3D highlighted effect, thanks to the Korean pink pearl extracts infused in it. While this luminous moisturizer soaks into the skin, I am going to start off with the eyes. So for the smoky winged eyeliner look, you will need a concealer, kajal, eyeshadow, scotch tape. So firstly, I will apply concealer all over the eyelids to hide any discoloration and also to create a base for the smoky eyeliner look to adhere to for a long period of time. Once that's blended in, I am going to apply a small piece of scotch tape on the edge of the eye. Place it in such a way that when you pull it off, it creates a sharp edge. Also, scotch tape is a great technique for beginners who often struggle with placement of eyeshadows. So now I am going to dip into neutral eyeshadow shades from this palette. This is the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Smoking Glam. Here is a matte brown shade that I am going to drape over my crease area using a fluffy blending brush. While blending this out, using light windshield wiper motions for a seamless wash of color. After that, I am going to use a slightly deeper shade of brown and apply it onto the outer corner of the eyes. Create a V shape on the outer corner of the eyes. This will both contour and brighten out the shape of the eye. Now for the smoky winged eyeliner look, always opt for a pencil liner. This is because pencil eyeliner will smudge much better as opposed for the liquid liner. For today's look, I am using the Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal in the shade Black. As you can see, this kajal is extremely pigmented and glides smoothly, which means no tugging. Okay, so now start by using the eye pencil as you normally would across the lid, keeping it as close to the upper lash line as possible. Once you reach the edge, create a wing using the tape as guide. Now comes the fun part, smudging. But before that, I am going to remove the scotch tape so that I can further elongate the wing. Then using a smudger provided at the other end of the pencil to smudge out the core. The key is to be super gentle and quick because once the eyeliner dries up and settles onto the skin, it will be tough to smudge. While smudging, be extra gentle and don't apply too much pressure on the eye. Now for the lower lash line, rim the lower waterline first with the kajal and then smudge it out. Easy breezy, right? Now to make the eyes appear wider and bigger, I am going to apply a shimmer shade on the inner corner of the eyes. For that, I am using this silver shade from the palette. Once that's done, it is time to apply mascara. And this is what I am using. It's the Lakme Iconic Volume Mascara in the shade Deep Black. Wiggle and swipe the mascara and apply 2 generous coats of it on the upper and lower lashes. This has been my go-to mascara as it adds volume, doesn't clump, it's water resistant and delivers a deep black finish. With that, I'm done with my eye look. And now, let's create a glowing / dewy base. And for that, you have to use a foundation that has some sort of oil infused in it. Because oil equals glow. Now take this as a disclaimer that when opting for a glowy base, matte formulas are a big no as they do not have light reflective properties. Whereas dewy formulas are creamy, which helps create that radiant natural glow. Speaking of which, this is a dewy foundation that you should definitely get your hands on. It's the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Serum Foundation SPF 45 in the shade Warm Creme. This foundation gives my skin a dewy and hydrated feel thanks to the argan oil in it. Just dot it all over my face and neck and blend it out with a beauty sponge. It delivers a medium coverage, the texture is silky and blends beautifully into the skin. It also has SPF 45, so if you have skipped applying sunscreen in your skincare routine, then that's okay because this foundation has got you covered. Next, I'm going to follow it up with a compact. I know what you must be thinking. It's a glowy skin look and applying a compact will mattify the whole face. But let's understand that glowing skin doesn't mean that your entire face should look like a grease ball. Since we live in a humid, mostly hot country, you must dab some compact on the T-zone. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation Compact. With the help of a sponge, load the powder and dab and roll it lightly onto the T-zone, which is your nose, forehead and chin. Now let's add a flush of color. I am using the Lakme Absolute Illuminating Blush Shimmer Brick in the shade Pink. You can either use just one shade or swirl your brush over the entire pan for a concoction of color. I am going to do the second bit. While placing it, start from the center of the cheeks and blend it outwards toward the sides of the temples. Now it's time to highlight, which is the most important aspect of making your skin look glowing. Today, I am using the Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter in the shade Ivory. We all know that one allotted place for a highlighter is the high points of the cheeks. Using my fingers, I am going to dab it on the high points of the cheeks. You see it blends seamlessly into my skin without making it look chunky. Then I am going to apply it on the other high points of the face, such as above the arc of the eyebrow and below the arc, Cupid's bow and a little on the sides of the chin. So when you turn your face to one side, the light reflects off your jawline and chin, giving you that stunning glow. Time to apply the lipstick now. Today I am opting for a mousse formulation lip and cheek color. I am using the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Nude Cushion. It has a soft mousse-like texture that doesn't settle into the fine lines and cracks. It feels lightweight and the formula applies beautifully on the lips. Once that's done, dab a bit of your lip balm on the centermost part of your lips. So guys, what do we think about this smoky winged eyeliner and glowing skin look? Do try this look out and give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Now before you leave, share this video with your beauty enthusiast friends and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. And oh, don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.